Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my another presentation of ELC 590. Today, I want to share to you about my water bottle. This water bottle is so special for me because this bottle is always with me no matter at home or outside. Cause I really like drink plain water. The first thing after waking up, I will drink water, and before going to bed, I will drink water too. I have some types of water bottle that I use every day, like plastic water bottle and metal water bottle and glass water bottle. Firstly, a plastic water bottle or reusable plastic water bottle. Multi-use water bottle can be all offer the advantage of being durable or lightweight and dishwasher safe and have BPA free. So I use the this bottle more often because it is so easy to carry everywhere, especially when I am outside. Next, metal water bottles. Metal water bottles are growing in popularity, primarily from stainless steel or aluminium. They are durable, retain less color and taste from previous contents than most plastic bottles, and it can sometimes impart a metallic taste. Besides that, when you put hot water into this bottle, so it will last a long time, and when you put cold water, it will also last a long time. But stainless steel bottle water is so heavier than water bottle plastic, so it's not suitable to carry when going for a walk when you are outside. Next, water glass bottle. It is manufacturing of glass product become easier because they are completely recyclable, BPA free, and do not retain and transfer taste or odor. Glass water bottles are becoming a popular choice again for many consumers concerned about their health. But be careful, okay, when you using water glass bottle because it is easily too broken. So guys, why I story to you about my bottle? Because I also want to share to you about the benefit while you drinking water. Firstly, it prevents kidney damage. The kidneys regulate fluid in the body. Insufficient water can lead to kidney and stones and other problems. Secondly, it boosts skin health and beauty. With dehydration, the skin can become more vulnerable to skin disorders and premature wrinkling. Besides that, premature wrinkling. Besides that, it flush body waste. Water is needed in the process of sweating and removal of urine. So guys, let's take action together by providing an attractive and easy to carry bottle so that you can drink at all times and can train yourself to always drink plain water. Alright, thanks for watching and listening my presentations. Thank you for joining me. I will coming back next with another presentation. Bye. Assalamualaikum.